Welcome to the Screencast tutorial. Today I will show you how to properly use BrainPop for Unit 7 Human Body Project. So, why BrainPop? I chose BrainPop as one of the resources for the Unit 7 project because it is a reliable educational resource. So that means that the advisors for BrainPop are experienced educators in various fields of studies and contribute to the site functionality. BrainPop is very user friendly and therefore you should not have any issues finding what you need, especially due to this tutorial. So let's get started. So you're going to open your web browser and go to Google. In the Google search engine, you will type in BrainPop, BrainPop. Going to press enter. You're going to click on the first option right here, and next you are prompted to the official BrainPop website. Notice the option to log in located in the top right hand corner. We are only going to use the free resources, so logging in at this point is not necessary unless you already have an account. Under login, you see the option for search BrainPop. So this is BrainPop search engine. We are going to use this tool to directly guide us to the content that we are searching. So we are searching for materials about the human body. So we're going to type in human body and we're going to press enter. And you will be prompted to the topic's results. One feature that I really appreciate about BrainPop is that the free resource indicator. So when searching for resources that are free, you will see a tagline indicated free. Can you see that? Right here. So hence the tagline free on this resource in comparison to the other resources around it. So we're going to click on the free resource. And the free resources are great. I love that there are several options for you to choose from in order to enhance your learning about the body and help you out with your cornerstone project. So we're going to click on the News Ella option. We're going to click View on News Ella. And notice that we are prompted to an article about the body. Now, no worries if this is too much and you know that you are not on the Lexile level of 1000, then you can change your Lexile level to fit your needs. 570 is in the range for second grade. So if you know that you're on the second grade reading level or if this is what benefits you, and then please use this resource and change it to that level. Now, another thing that I appreciate is that there are other activities available for your within News Ella. So you can click on Open Activities, and then it prompts you to a quiz. So if you feel like you didn't understand the article too much or just want to check for comprehension purposes, then you would use this option right here for the quiz. Now we're going to go back to the search engine. And we're back at topics. And I want you to locate another resource. And this is if you are looking for more resources within your grade level. So you'll click on the option that says K through 3 topics. Now notice you have to scroll down. And as you see, when you scroll over,
bones,
it announces
heart,
what the topic result is.
digestive system.
So If you are in need, please be sure to ask a fellow teacher or administrator for your login information to access more materials and resources on BrainPop. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.